Hello friends, welcome back to this video of English tenses. So in this class, in this video, you will learn that is future with going to and present continuous part 4. Okay, so in this part, today we will explore the structure of present continuous, which reflects in the future. Okay, so in the previous part, we have learned in part 3, we have learned the structure of going to. And then we have I think that is you have made many types of examples, okay, with the word of going to phrase. And today we will explore same like going to, that is present continuous. How to use present continuous in future. Okay, so no more talking, let's get started. So here you can see as usual. So here I have divided these 3 sections. So we can start from here. So here in positive we can see that is here, but before starting we have to see the structure. So here as the structure we can see that is the structure is subject. First of all, we have to put the subject, then we have to add the to be verb, then we have to add the base form of the verb. With this we have to add the ing, then we have to add the time word marker, then it will become the present continuous becomes the future, even though it is in the present, but it indicates the future. But if you don't add this time marker, if you only add this from this, then it will reflect what? Then it will reflect the not future, it will reflect continuous, which is happening now. So if you want to do this, you have to say the time marker. You must have to use it. Then it will be not minor mistake, it will be the big mistake. Okay, so we have to absolutely add the time marker. Okay, so we have already understood. So the next we can start from here. So in positive, we can see that is means I am. These are the all contraction forms as doing because we have learned this. So here we can start from here. I'm playing next week. I'm playing next week. Sorry, I'm playing next week. So here I'm playing. So if we break this, we can get I am. Am is a word to be. And then after word we have put the verb which is play here. Then we have simply add the ing. Then you can see we have put the word time marker. Okay, that is next week. So you don't think that is only for the time marker we can add the next week. I have just written this to make you all understand. But there are more time markers. It can be at 8 p.m. It can be in the evening, at the afternoon, okay, but with which reflects any future. Okay, if you want to make this into present continuous, you have to must add the time which happens after now. Okay, which happens after now. Okay, so I hope that is you have understood. So next we can start from here. I'm playing next week. You are playing next week. We are playing next week. They are playing next week. She's playing next week. She's playing next week. It's playing next week. Okay? We have already understood this, the positive. And during the negative, we have to simply add the not. We have to simply add the not here. Okay? Which is, for example, that is how can we do it? How can you do it? So we can say like this. I'm not playing next week. After the to be verb, you can add the not. The to be verb is here, you can see the to be verbs, but which is a contracted form. So after this, we have simply add the not during the negative. Okay, so there is also contraction. Okay, which we will learn in a short time later. Okay, so just remember this. I'm not playing next week. You are not playing next week. We are not playing next week. They are not playing next week. He's not playing next week. She's not playing next week. It's not playing next week. Arjon's not playing next week. Corin's not playing next week, etc., etc. So we have already understood 2 sections. Now we will talk about the what? Question. Now we'll talk about the question. So in the question, you have to change the order. You have to change the order you have to put the to be verb before the subject, okay, according to the follow of main structure of word present continuous with future. So in this situation, you have to put the to be verb before the subject, then after the subject you have to put the verb, then you have to add the ing, same like this, then you have to add the time marker. Okay, so we are talking about the positive form of question. We will talk about the negative form soon, so just learn this in this time. So here we are watching, that is, am I playing next week? Then it will like this. Okay, then our question will like this. So am I playing next week? Are you playing next week? Are they playing next week? Is he playing next week? Is she playing next week? Is it playing next week? Okay, and in the positive form of question, if we want to do it with the WH questions, you have to keep this structure like going to phrase, as we learned the previous part. So you have to keep this structure in present continuous. Then you have to add the word WH question before the word of to be verb. You can say, when am I playing next week? Where are you playing next week? Where are you playing next week? Where are they playing next week? You can also say, how long is he playing next week? And so on. These are some key points about WH question. There are more which you can learn. So here we have already understood. And now we will talk about the negative form of question. During the negative form of question, you have to put the not. You have to put the not here. Okay, as you can see. So here, how can we say that? We can say, am I not playing next week? Are you not playing next week? Are we not playing next week? Are they not playing next week? Is he not playing next week? Is she not playing next week? Is she not playing next week? Is it not playing next week? Here, so there is also contract, which we can also contract in not in negative form of question, but which we will learn in a short time later, okay, because we will learn the all contractions, some parts of the video. Okay, so here we have already understood. Now we can also do it with the question. When am I not playing? When are you not playing? When are we not playing? When are they not playing? When is he not playing? When is she not playing? When is it not playing? You can also say it with where. You can also say it with how long. You can also say it with many types of WH question and so on. Okay, so I hope that is you have understood. So sometimes if we practice it, am I not playing? Okay, so this is called simple. We can practice the simple question with positive form of question, negative. So this is called simple question, am I playing? And if I say when am I playing, this is called WH question. So we can use the simple question and WH question during what? Positive form of question and negative form of question. Okay, so we can use these both. We can use it both. Okay, it means positive and it means negative. Okay, I hope that is you have understood. So this is the main structure. This is the main structure of present continuous tense in future, which reflects the future. But remember, you have to add the word time marker. If you don't add that, then it doesn't mean the future. It indicates the continuous. Okay, I hope that is you have understood. So by watching this video, you can make many types of examples. So I hope that is you like this. If you just like this video, just like, comment, share and follow my video, and see you in the next video, everyone, and bye bye.